You guys just like to bite each other's arms, huh? That's the name of the game? Go get it! Oh, okay. Just wrestles, huh? These guys just love to wrestle. They're gonna be so feisty when they're older, oh no. Oh! Oh, nice roll over! And evaded your brother. Nice! Wow! Here's a pumpkin! Congratulations! No. We got ourselves a battle here, don't we? Oh, you're going for the paw. What's going on? Hi. You stinky cute? You wanna wrestle, huh? Are you just a wrestle pupper? You guys all done? Is that all the wrestles for now? Oh! Get him! Get him! Get him! No, you're gonna take that? You're gonna take that? No way. Not a chance. Not a chance. No! See? Alright everyone, well that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, but get ready because it's Treato time! That's right, Chiefy. First things first, we're starting off with the cinnamon roll. Stay down, my goodness! Alright, Daisy, this is for you. Good girl, Daisy. Chiefy. Good boy, Chiefy. Nike, you're being such a good boy. Here you go, Treato time. Here you go, Bear. Oh, there you go, buddy. Alright guys, well up next is our birthday cake Treatos from the K9 Granola Factory. Oh my goodness, you guys are being so good. Daisy, Chiefy, Bear, you need to wait your turn, buddy. Nike, and Bear. How is that? Is that yummy? You guys can find a whole bunch of these Treatos and more at our own online website, fabpuppystore.com. I'll have a link in the top of this video description. Chief, look where you're going. But for now, it's time to get these guys their last Treatos, and these are the chicken with apple recipe. Alright, Daisy. There you go, babies. Chiefy. There you go, buddy. Nike. No. Nike. Good boy. And Bear. There you go. Alright, what do you say?